health attorneys warning against reported UK plans to make COVID jabs mandatory for some workers, pointing out it may be illegal, in fact, under current legislation. England's chief medical officer has already told health staff that getting inoculated is their duty, and the National Health Service, NHS, is reportedly considering making it obligatory for certain employees. But NHS Dr. Bob Gill told us some medical workers would see that as an attack on their autonomy.
The idea of making vaccination compulsory is very short-sighted. We need to understand the damage that has been done to the trust of the medical profession, given the government's already chaotic and much criticised handling of the pandemic. We've already lost 1,000 health and social care workforce due to the pandemic. People have been working exhaustingly long hours, have witnessed tragic scenes, and to attack their professional judgment and autonomy by making this compulsory, I think, is another straw to break the camel's back.
Given the background we're going to talk about next, UK medical chiefs saying the number of coronavirus patients has dropped and pressure on the NHS is easing at the moment. Officials suggested the country's COVID alert level, in fact, could be downgraded. So with that in mind, Bob Gill again says mandatory inoculation could well backfire.
If you make vaccination part of your terms of employment, then what does a doctor do if they risk losing their job, losing their profession that they've studied and worked so hard for, or they comply? So it's quite a big stick to beat the profession with. I don't think anybody could argue against the evidence for vaccination. And what the government should try to do is understand if there is significant reluctance, why that is, support those people, provide them more information, but not to coerce them. There was a survey early on in the pandemic which showed the vast majority of doctors certainly felt that the government had completely mishandled the coronavirus pandemic. And that confidence, nothing has really happened to improve that confidence in governments.